Welcome back to the Beast Modes, and
we're going to be opening this Chronicles draft picks, 12 packs, 5 cards each.
So that's 60 cards per box.
Here's the checklist. Pause it if you want to see. And let's do. You get some autos, number to 10 jersey cards.
Ready to
Let's
rip
get one of
them.
those number to 10 jersey cards, huh?
So we will just see what we get.
There's no bonus
Titus
packs
picked
in this?
6. No, Titus picked 6 packs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
We'll be opening these.
All right, you do one, you do one, you do one, you do one.
I'll go first.
Draft picks Chronicles
I'm opening first.
2021.
I'm opening first because Titus picked. Oh my goodness, guess who doesn't have a bag, Dad?
I don't know.
Zaire Williamson. Okay, we got it backwards coming up.
Backwards
What?
coming up.
Chris Dornett. He. Yes! 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 From Wisconsin!
kidding?
We got him! Auto!
Trayvon
We
Auto.
love him! We love him!
It's Dimitri Trice.
Nice.
Dimitri Trice.
Trice, yeah.
Yeah.
My goodness.
First pack, Dimitri Trice Auto. The Badger fans will be buying.
We're Badgers
Ah.
fans.
Here, let's get some sleeves out too. while
Isaiah
we're-
Jackson Flux. Nice chrome on that. And Corey Kispert on the back. We
Why
get
is
this
he
guy.
in every pack?
I know, we did every pack.
Here, I'm gonna get you some.
I love Trice.
All right, T-Man. Trice.
Okay,
Trice
I
get drafted?
definitely don't see a rated rookie Cade Cunningham.
No way. If it's optic,
Jaden Springer rated rookie.
nice.
Pretty nice.
Is that Scotty Barnes coming up? Oh no.
Josh Christopher.
Two first names. Josh Christopher. Ooh, Jared Butler.
Jared Butler.
He's good.
Jared Butler.
Cyrus.
Is that Suggs?
Evan Moodley.
Evan Mobley. And Cade Cunningham.
Ooh.
Rated rookie green,
It's green.
parallel.
Green.
Yeah, it's good. Text is in green. Is it numbered? Look on the back.
No, but
I don't think it was
Go ahead and
Wisconsin.
sleeve
Pretty
your cards.
nice.
Go ahead and sleeve your
Well,
cards.
these are good sleeves.
Cade Cunn. That's nice.
Sleeve them up, boys.
Should we sleeve up like everyone?
Yeah, I'll just put them in there.
I don't even think I'm going to sell this card because this is like Badgers.
Be careful putting that in there, that auto sticker. That's sweet. Well, that's the second auto we've pulled out of Chronicles. The first one was some scrub that just got cut by the Hornets. Dimitri's not going to do much at the next level, we don't think, but that's still, having the Wisconsin thing's pretty cool. All right, Logan, you're up.
Wait, so he got drafted?
I don't even know if he's back or if he entered.
Dad,
or-
should I sleeve the
What's that?
rest of these?
What?
Should I sleeve the rest of these?
Yeah, sleeve him up, bud.
Oh my goodness!
Corey Kispert, another pack of Corey Kispert. We gotta stop seeing this guy, man.
Get off our
Davion
lawn.
Mitchell, Trey Man, Jalen Johnson, and Jalen Suggs. Green parallel.
Jalen Suggs, green parallel, numbered.
No.
That's a cool card, though.
Look for jersey cards.
Okay.
You won't miss them. They're really big and fat.
Pretty good box from this.
Charles Baisley.
Ooh, Moody. Moses Moody.
Ooh, Roses Moody. Is this kid's name like Jaden Johnson?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then
Dad, do you think we'll pull an optic?
Jaden Green.
Dad, do you think we'll pull an optic? Optic.
Jaden Springer, rookie,
That's a cool one.
Merriquit, whatever.
Marquee level, yeah. Marquee.
Dad, do you think
Nice.
we'll pull an optic?
That's sick.
Cade?
All right, put your sleeve yours up, and Logan, you're up. Hey, Logan, while the other, all right, Logan's up next. We've got 4 packs down, and we've got 4 Corey Kisperts. Cody Kispert.
I didn't get a Corey Kispert in that pack.
We're in Boston. Scotty Burns.
Yeah, good.
Did you unpause
France
it?
Wagner.
Wagner.
Optic, Greg Brown.
Nice. That's cool too. What is that?
And Zaire Williamson Recon.
Nice.
Which one should I
I like the
choose?
Recon.
Which one? These two?
For sure. Yeah, for sure. Those two. I mean, as of right now,
there's
you just
nothing.
don't know who's going to pan out. So with these being all rookies, just throw them in sleeves for now, and we'll deal with them later. All right, pack number 6. This is Titus's third pack. He's almost halfway home. Logan got lucky with the auto in the first pack, so I would doubt that we see another one of those.
Titus, oh my goodness. He's marking up all the corners.
No, I'm not.
Easy, Titus.
No, I'm not. Look.
Oh, Titus has
Yes, you did.
upside down cards in the back.
Cameron Thomas. Evan Mood.
Read them out, Titus.
Cameron Thomas, rated rookie. Evan Mobley. Jalen Green.
Nice.
Moses Moody. And who is
Oh, it's Illuminate. Oh, it's Luminance. Namius Keita. I think that's how you say his name.
So yeah.
That was a steamer, Titus. That was not a good pack.
I smell a very good pack right here.
No, you don't. It's not dog water.
Okay. Kai Jones. Greg Brown, rated rookie. I have the optic of this. Cade Cunningham,
Good pull.
Zaire Williamson, and a Moses Moody.
Another.
Recon.
It's a recon. I like those recons. Those are those are sweet. All right, T-Man. So far, I'd say Logan's got the edge a little bit.
And Titus picked the pack, so.
The Titus has got 3 left, though. He's. I think Titus might pull a jersey card.
Really? You think?
Jared Butler.
Ooh.
Nice.
Jimmy Butler's
Ooh.
brother.
What do we got there?
Kai Jones.
Kai Jones. We're due for a kiss, Bert.
Yeah. Here we are.
Is this literally the same card?
Is it really? It is. Yep. Keita.
Cameron Thomas. Got a sick card back here.
What's that?
Moses Moody.
Oh, that's a cool one. I like that. I like those ones. That's
Essentials?
the Gala. That's the Gala
Is
one.
that Essentials?
It's Gala. Numbered. That's
Thick.
that's
thick,
a really nice card.
Thick at the
Oh,
back.
are you
thick
kidding
at the back.
me?
Thick at the back.
Logan again? Are you
Jalen
serious?
Suggs. Oh no, it's just. It's Jalen Suggs, rookie. Jonathan's Kingsma. Isaiah Jackson. Mosaic!
Show it up. Show it up. I am Mosaic. Hold it up.
Oh.
And
Jalen Green. This
Oh,
is the guy I
that's
pulled.
sick.
This is the guy I pulled an auto of.
that's a Gala too.
This is the guy I pulled an auto of.
Is it? Oh
Yeah.
yeah, that's right. He's the one that just got cut by the Hornets.
Yeah. We're not gonna talk about that. Let's go, Isaac. Mosaic. Oh.
Meanwhile, I'm burning myself over here.
Cade Cunningham, rated rookie
Good,
again.
great
Oh
pull,
my
Titus.
goodness.
Great pull.
Let's leave that. We got
Pull an auto,
Jalen
Titus.
Suggs,
That's a good pack right there. Pull an auto.
Jonathan Kaminga,
Kingsma. Yeah, coming up.
Keaton Johnson, whatever that says. Can you read that?
Keon Johnson. Is this IO?
It is. IOXR.
Should hold it up. IO XR.
That's sick.
Numbered? We haven't pulled any numbers yet.
It's hard to pull numbers out of this one.
Nice job, you guys. Titus, that was your best pack so far, I think.
Jalen's.
Okay, this is my last pack. Jared Butler.
Last or not least. Ooh, I
Backwards.
see Jared Butler on the back.
See it backwards?
No, you don't.
Lance Wagner.
Wagner.
Oh, Wagner. Jaden Springer. Josh Christopher.
Kispert.
And Jared Butler.
Jared Butler.
That last pack was...
That was probably one of your worst packs. And Titus is still working on a sleeve, so we'll come back in a second.
Pac-Man.
Last pack. So far, the big hit was that Dimitri Trice auto, and then we've also pulled several Cades and several IOs. And let's see what we got, Titus.
Isaiah Jackson.
I see a thick, actually. Might be a mosaic. Another Cade.
Io! Rated rookie.
IO, rated rookie. Nice job, Titus.
Caden Johnson.
Ooh.
And
Who's this?
Rated rookie Jonathan Kaminga.
Is that Optic?
Yeah, optic.
That's nice.
Too bad it wasn't Cade.
I know.
Green Para rookie Kai Jones.
And that is
Okay.
a wrap. What are your guys' thoughts?
We're gonna do a
show you the hits.
relook
Show
at
you
the
good
hits.
ones.
Io Mosaic, Moses Moody Recon, Cade Cunningham rookie. Oh no. Okay, let's redo that.
All these in my binder.
Right, for the hits, they got an IO for me. Moses Moody, Cade Cunningham, Zaire Williamson. Stop, Titus. Bonus shots. Jermaine Trice, Optic Greg Brown, Jalen Suggs.